So who did you send to get the turkey?
Only the best two in the world to exist. Remind me what we're doing again.
I told you, Coltrane, we're going to get a turkey.
Oh, right. Is this a turkey farm?
You bait
Oh! Oh, sorry, didn't mean to scare you too.
What are y'all names?
I'm just called Coltrane, and his name is...
Thyo. My name is Thyo.
Y'all have such nice names. I heard that y'all needed a turkey.
Yes,
Yes, we did.
It's Thanksgiving.
So, by any chance of you having a turkey?
Well, I do have a perfectly cooked turkey.
We'll take that one.
Greg, no! Oh, Greg! He was the best turkey of all time! It's okay, Greg. I will avenge you. Y'all might want to start running. Turkeys! Attack!
Finally, I survived. Me, and with the turkey too. You okay, Thyo? Wait. Oh god, where's Thyo?
For committing a sin of killing our good friend Greg. You deserve to die!
Wait, no.
Oh my gosh, it's you, Thyo! It's great to see that you're alive! Jesus Christ!
Yeah, do you have any glue I can borrow?